Fortnite redeem gift card, how to use Fortnite gift card. If you want to learn how you can redeem your Fortnite gift card, now you must play Fortnite maybe on your computer or your console. Regardless of that, to redeem a Fortnite gift card, I would recommend that you simply open your browser. Now, once you open your browser, you want to simply go to the official redeem site, which is fortnite.com/redeem. I repeat, fortnite.com/redeem. So this is the official page that you want to go to. And here you want to make sure that you are logged in to your Epic Games account that you use to basically play Fortnite, right? So that is basically the same. Now here it says redeem your reward. Now, it is very important to understand the difference. If you have a reward code, you simply enter your access code here and then click the redeem button. However, most Fortnite code are also a V-Bucks code instead. So if you instead have a code for V-Bucks, you have to click on the second option that says go here to redeem a V-Bucks code option. And when you click on the second option on this page, it says redeem your V-Bucks card. You can just click on the get started button. And then here you want to make sure to enter your code. And again, I repeat once again, just make sure that your Fortnite account details are correct right here. Then after that, enter your code and then hit the next option to redeem it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.